600, 700. Maintain. Got a sweeping right.
Boy, the ass end feels nice and tight, dude.
What's that?
The ass end feels tight, feels good.
Nice. Got a sweeping right in 1,000 feet. After this left. Medium left, coming up 900 feet, 600, medium left. Good job. Next turn will be a hard right.
You want to let Pop know that we started?
Yeah, I'll let him know in just a second.
Okay.
Right here. On a half mile, sorry. Rossi 1, you copy? Rossi 1, do you copy? Got a hard left coming up, 700 feet. Oh, bummer. All right, hammered in. Got a hard right in a quarter mile. You can see that guy doing it.
Yeah.
Go, 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 go. There you go. Is it a little slick?
A little bit, not as much as I was thinking, man.
All right.
It's probably going to be pretty slippery over here.
Hard sweeping left, hard sweeping left. Medium right. Medium-ish left. This is a hard left, hard left. All right, good job. Maintain, maintain. Hell yeah, nice. medium, sweeping right. Medium, sweeping right. Ooh.
Shit.
You alright?
Yep.
I think this is the 25 through here. Yeah, 25. 33, 30, 28. Okay, right there, 25. Okay, go. You're good. This is all pretty much straight. Couple little like veers like this. Stay outside. Medium right. To another medium right. He knows we're here. Show them your front end. Come on, buddy. Go ahead. We gotta get past them before it gets tight up here. Come on, buddy. Okay, go.
Come on, man.
Fuck it, hit him, hit him. Okay, go, 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 go. This dude better get the fuck out of the way. Easy, easy. Be a hard left coming up in 300 feet right here at the bottom of this. Go inside, go inside, go inside. He's moving, he's moving, he's moving.
Shit.
You're okay, you're alright.
Dude.
Go. He lost something. He broke. We ran over his spot. We ran over something he lost. alright. Stay calm, buddy.
Alright.
We're doing good. You hear that hit?
Yeah.
He lost something. Drive shaft fell out or something. That we ran over. Okay, easy. Hard left.
How's all of our temperatures?
Great, dude. Everything's looking good. Water temps 180. Tranny temps 170. Easy, hard left. Okay, go. Watch that rock. Rock on the inside. Medium, sweeping right. Watch that roll boulder on your side.
Coming up to that big ass mud puddle, aren't we?
Not quite
There
yet.
it is.
Oh, go left. And then stay inside. Cut left hard. Cut left now. There we go. There it is. Haha, I remember that from last year. Okay, we got medium right into a hard left. Medium right into a hard left. Nice. Good save.
What do you mean? I meant to do that.
Woohoo! All right then, let's do it. Good job, buddy. Okay, man, tranny's liking that cool air. So is the motor. All running nice and cool. Rock my side. Yeah, baby. Rock center. Sweeping right. Check up just a hair. All right, let's go. It's an easy right. Hard left. Whoa, it says hard right. No, it says hard left on here.
Okay,
It's up
probably
here.
next.
It's up here, sorry, my fault. Another hard right. Hard right. Another hard right after this one. 1,800 feet. $500 feet. Hard right. Take the right. Watch this boulder on my side. Boulder in the center. Everything's looking good. We got 1462 ahead of us. It's like a hard left. Boulder my side. Does that scare you? Should I not?
No.
Okay, alright.
Just don't yell out, "Oh shit," when you see a snake.
What about a dinosaur?
That's okay.
Stay left. Oh damn, that's a bad spot. Catch this guy. Sweeping left. I marked the danger here. It was the water. Stay left. Stay left. Go. Here, got a little sweeper to the right. Maybe just check up a little bit so we can see what's on the other side. And then hammer down straight. And got another little sweeper left, right here. Okay. Straight for a little while. And to another sweeping left up there. Maintain. Another little sweeper left. Maintain. Sweeper right into a little bit harder left. Easy, easy, check up. Yeah, baby. Okay, we got straight for a little while. To a medium right up there. But check up, because it looks like it's a hard little...
I believe it is.
Yeah. Go ahead, go ahead. We got a medium right coming up. This one's a little harder. Oh, sweeper left. Fast right. Fast left. Check up just a hair. Alright, we're straight for a little while. Like that second gear, boy.
Right?
This is working good. Come on, baby. Come on. maintain through here. Our voice is being recorded?
Yes.
Okay. Sweeper left, maybe just let off the throttle. Okay, we're good. Into a little harder left. God, so much different going twice the speed.
Yeah.
We're straight here for a little while if you want to hammer down. Okay, it's gonna be a little harder right up here if you can see it. Clear behind us. 178 on the water. 170 on the tranny. Okay, after this, we got a hard right. Not quite yet. There it is, right there. Straight. Good job, baby. Good job. Easy, easy, easy. Oh, fuck. Oh, yeah.
What?
Damn it. The course.
Oh.
Shit. I was like, dude, we're way off course. Clear behind you. Boulder my side. boulder your side and my side. Go left now. Good job.
Okay, we should. Oh, we're back on course.
Yeah, we're back on course. Yeah.
Oh, okay, cool.
Yeah. Literally, it was just right before you said something, we came back onto the course.
Okay.
Easy. Sweeping left. Stay on the outside. Good line choice. Now cut to the inside. Straight through here, all the way straight. Nice. That was fun. Yeah, baby. Woohoo! Next time we'll double that. Alright. I love this course, dude. So much fun.